In the middle game of chess, the focus shifts from initial development to strategic planning, tactical maneuvers, and positioning for the endgame. Here's a summary of the key principles for the middle game. 1. Pawn structure. Evaluate and maintain a strong pawn structure that supports your pieces and restricts your opponents. 2. Piece activity. Aim to improve the activity of all your pieces, knights, bishops, rooks, and queen, by placing them on optimal squares where they control key areas of the board and coordinate effectively. 3. King safety. Even though castling is typically done in the opening, ensuring your king's safety remains paramount throughout the game, especially as the position opens up. 4. Open files and diagonals. Control open files with your rooks and semi-open files with your queen. Use bishops to control long diagonals, especially towards the opponent's king. 5. Centralization. Bring your pieces to central squares where they exert maximum influence over the board. This enhances their scope and allows for more effective coordination. 6. Initiative. Seek to gain the initiative by putting pressure on your opponent with threats and forcing them to react defensively. This can often lead to gaining a material advantage or positional superiority. 7. Planning and strategy. Formulate long-term plans based on the characteristics of the position, pawn structure, piece activity, king safety. Consider factors like weak squares, potential pawn breaks, and tactical motifs. 8. Tactical awareness. Stay alert for tactical opportunities such as forks, pins, skewers, and sacrifices that can dramatically shift the balance of the game in your favor. 9. Prophylaxis. Anticipate your opponent's plans and prevent their threats through prophylactic moves. This involves neutralizing potential threats before they materialize. 10. Flexibility and adaptability. Remain flexible in your plans and adapt to changing circumstances in the game. This includes adjusting to your opponent's maneuvers and exploiting any weaknesses they may expose. By adhering to these principles, players can navigate the complexities of the middle game more effectively, making informed decisions that position them favorably for the endgame phase of the chess game.